Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get iCloud storage on your iPhone. So let's get started. So in order to get or buy iCloud storage, first thing you're going to do is go into your setting on your iPhone and then tap on your Apple ID account here. Once you do that, you'll see there's an iCloud right here. By default, you get 5 gigs. Every user for iPhone will get 5 gigs of iCloud storage for their account. Now, in order to upgrade or buy or even subscribe to a bigger storage, you'll see an option that says basically upgrade. So if you tap on that, right, you get different options of how much iCloud storage you can get. So you start at 50 gigs with 99 cents a month to all the way to 2 terabytes for almost $10 a month. So whatever fits your need. Like it says, storage for photos, files for this one, more for a lot more videos and photos, of course, and 2 gigs if you really want a lot. Usually 200 gigs will be enough for most people, but if you're a person that has tons and videos especially, you want to go to 2 terabyte. So once you select your option, you're going to simply click on upgrade, and as you can see, it's going to charge you basically 99 cents per month, basically with whatever card is linked with your Apple ID account here. And you can click on subscribed, and it will be subscribed, and it'll automatically renew every month for you, and you'll be able to save tons of data up to your iCloud, which you can access on any device. But that's how you can subscribe. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. See you guys next time.